Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorial Respond. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about our Jenkins beginner class 6 basic configuration in Jenkins. And here we are going to discussing about our main Jenkins and configuration system, and we are going to understand for basic common configuration what all the things is required into our process. Okay. Once your Jenkins is up and running, then you can able to go for. First, we need to admin password, and here manage Jenkins, and here we can able to see config system. Okay, this is the basic system we are going to discussing about here. Basic configurations. Here, once you click that basic configuration, you can able to see some particular things. See now here it is basically home directory and where we are stored into our Jenkins related files like plugin and all, and you can able to go through here and come out of that here and Jenkins home, and here all related information we can able to see, and here how many jobs we are presented, and we can able to see there is a demo developer test project, three projects, right? Once you come to here dashboard, and you can able to see three. Okay, like this we can able to see logs, plugins, how many plugins we have, secret password, which is the password it is presented like initial admin password, it is stored into here. We can able to use that password to while you are logging for admin password. Okay, and user content, update users, what are the users it is presented, war file, what war files are there, and it is downloaded, what are the downloads it is happen, workspace, and all it we can able to see here. Okay, and second thing, and we can able to provide a system message, and here we can able to provide some message here, and while you are using, and tag, here the tag is presented, and h1 or h2 tag we can able to welcome to Jenkins. I'm going to end for h1 tag, and we can able to do for some preview. This is the one, and here we can able to do for apply, save, go to dashboard, then you can able to see here dashboard page, welcome to Jenkins, what are the information we provided there, and it will reflect into home page. Okay, in case if you are able to see in the html, that also you can able to change, and here of executors, how many times it need to be execute and all we can able to see here, and labels it is a more important, and we can able to say some like while you are using for nodes and all, right? That moment we can able to understand label, what is the requirement of label, and label element we can able to call it like that. This one dollar brace key rs dollar key, like that we can able to access the name. Okay, it is basically naming conventions providing, and based upon that only we can able to usage. If you click the usage, you can able to see what kind of usage it is providing. It is basically controls how Jenkins schedules build in this node, means we can able to choose here, and you can able to use only build job with the label expression matching this node, means while you are using for node creation this label, that label matching purpose, expression matching or not, if use this node as much as possible. If you are using node that particular load using, or else label expression just now I showed you, right? You can able to use dollar key, and that key you can able to provide this particular one capturing purpose. Okay, and here is quite period. It's a like a build to build. Like if you are using 10 builds at a time running, but you want to run after one build, another after. And what is the between two intervals it is present and to using that we can able to use quite period. This scam checkout retry count is basically in case in a what we can able to say uh, when you are using for new project, and here we'll see leave new item, and here freestyle test job freestyle. Okay, and when you are going to source place the pool scm, correct. This one if you check mark we can able to provide some schedule time, and here you can able to see some schedule times and all, and you can able to provide what kind of informative cvs files and all you can able to provide here, right. And also this what will happen scm is basically when you are going to using git, the members are hitting like they are hitting some their code to deploying to the git. Now every update we need to run that moment we can able to use this particular scm. For that only it is required for our scm place. Okay, that intervals we need to declare here. The checkout time we can able to provide means one to one. And restriction is basically default anything we can able to provide, and we can able to provide some pattern. We can able to if you're providing the test it will allow only for testing related project. If you are using other than that we cannot able to use. Okay, and we can able to provide some information in there, and we can able to role based restriction. If you are providing some role user or developer admin, if you are providing admin only can create the project, other than that any other members cannot be created for projects. Okay, and next one is Jenkins location. By default this is the one localhost 8080. We can able to provide some valid host. Okay, and system admin email address we can able to provide this admin user email id, anything we can able to provide that particular user only, that email we can able to get it. And server resource files another domain, if you want to use to same server to another domains we can able to provide that urls here. Global properties. What are the global properties we need to store? Those are all the things we can able to check. Environment variables. We can able to add. If you're adding environment variables, it will available all the Jenkins location. Two location. Which two location you want to use? That particular location we can able to use it. And disable some webouts nodes. That also we can able to specify here. Pipeline speed and durability settings we can able to do pipelines also. Configuration, here we can able to do all kind of configurations. Folder health matrix we can able to add. Global build timeout also we can able to enable. This is all our normal format, nothing much. The fingerprint administration monitoring configuration, this is one more important one. This one we'll learn in later videos. Global build protectors are also project building, and this is basically git related information we can able to add for git things. This is API related usage and pipelines. Build git plugin, once you added the git plugin then only you can able to see here, and you can able to specify global for that user email address, and it will available all the place username, and here is user email id. And if you are not create a new account based on author committed email, then you can it will create, and which is the one you selected, right? Based upon that it will provide. Shell script we can able to provide here. test result aggregation. It is basically if you are providing Jenkins based URL, and if you click this one, specifying the HTTP address of the Jenkins installation, such as like this, and the value as across Jenkins API, then it will aggregate entire report. Then it will provide you for what report. Here we can able to create account user password, and mail notification we can able to provide SMTP, which is the SMTP we can like, and remaining things not much important. But whenever you are using for your application, right, that moment we can able to understand this all the things. And email notifications also we can able to specify your only which is which SMTP server, and we can able to provide a default user prefix, and based upon that you can able to provide some advanced clicking, and these all the things I'll explain in later video how we can able to trigger our email notification and all. Okay, this is all about a basic configuration related information. What all the things is presented into this configuration, Jenkins configuration. Okay, I hope you understand these configurations. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.